In early conversations with clients, you want to get to know them without being too prescriptive in how you get to know them. There are many frameworks available to you to do this, and our 54 character qualities are just one other set to your toolkit. Beginning with a simple question such as, what are your top three qualities and why? And followed up with, where are your top three opportunities to better yourself and why? Is a powerful way to open up conversation with any client. You could then ask them to state their ambition for their improvement, their aspiration, as we call it, and then shape questions around this. So, if they said leading people, for instance, you could ask, which of these qualities do you need to be an outstanding leader of people? And then follow that up with, how do you evaluate yourself in X quality that you've just stated you need? And what examples do you have? The choices for this conversation stay with the client in their selection of qualities. This offers a practitioner the opportunity to listen and probe with follow up questions focused on why they might believe that and how that might impact them.